He's got way too much to live for to get shortchanged like that. So I'm sorry. Your reward will have a little tongue in it.
Power of kisses keeps Denji going, so we know he won't die.
But this guy right... Not because we aren't strong enough to take it on, or because that monster is capable of killing hundreds in an instant.
Right! It's melting in my mouth. Wait, I think that's... What the hell? Her tongue feels good. It's so soft. Wait, hang on. Is that... She's watching.
Wanna do it?
Dude, I'm so dizzy.
Oh, sweet Denji. You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you? Stick 'em up.
Last cigarette I'll ever light up.
Take this instead. And I'm a good teacher.
Packs a mean punch, and it's invisible, so it's pretty nifty.
How goes?
He's rude, but I trained him to be of some use. Try and play nice.
Boy, you sure dodged that question. But did it find that, or was it fed that? All of you dark and broody types are an open book with the same plot. You want a piece of that damn gun, and we're the only ones with actual pieces. Great for socializing, though, so that's an even trade.
Of course he has these cigarettes. The one who taught him to savor the flavor was me.
Which is why I believe you when you
On her.
It's a giant pain in the you-know-what to lose a partner. The kind of hunter a devil fears most of all doesn't have to be strong or even brave for that matter. They're the ones with some screws loose and no screwdrivers. It's not just shooting off its many mouths. I have a hunch this is gonna be a long partnership, so it'd be awesome.
Oh, the kid's serious about following that trail of meat chunks, ain't he? Eventually, he's gonna make it to the gun.
I'm sorry to say this, Denji.
But you're toast if it comes to that.
Apart from you greenhorns, I think she's kissed everyone here.
What do you think Denji is?
So, give me everything you've got, too.
Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice.